Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th Max CBSE sets, exercise 1.3 third sum. Let's see the question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 are given in one set. 5, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is the set and 5. So let's see the question whether it's correct or not. In the first one, they have given 3, 4 in a set. It's subset of A. If 3, 4 is a set, is a subset of A means no, it is not a subset of A, because if they have given 2 to be a subset, then they will give 2 in a flower bracket. But 3, 4 already it is having a flower bracket, and there should be another bracket to be a subset. If it is like this, then it will be a subset. Here it is not a subset because 3, 4 has become an element now. It is not a subset of A. This is an incorrect statement. Now we'll move on to a thing. 3, 4 belongs to A. Yes, of course 3, 4 belongs to A, because A should not should not have a special bracket. Here it is given as this to be a belongs to A, so it is the statement here is correct. Now we'll move on to the third one they have given 3, 4 to be a subset. Yes, it is a subset because 3, 4 itself a set which is on a flower bracket, so it is a subset. Here 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 belongs to A, so this statement is correct. Here 1 is a subset of A. For a subset, as I told before, we should have a flower bracket. Here there is no bracket, so it is not a subset. This statement is wrong. Here 1, 3, 5 is a subset of A. 1, 3, 5. Yes, it is a subset of A means it should have a flower bracket. Yes, it is having, so it is correct. The statement is right. Now we'll move on to the seventh one. The seventh one, 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. For belongs to, it should not have a flower bracket. Here the bracket is given, so it is wrong. This statement is wrong here. Now we'll move on to the eighth one. In the eighth one, it is given as 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. 1, 2 is a subset of A. We can't separate a set. Here 3, 4 is a set. So we can't split a set. So this statement is wrong because 3 is there in another set. Now null set belongs to A. Null set does not belongs to A, so the statement is wrong. Here null set is a subset of A. Every set has a null set as a subset, so this statement is correct. Here null set in a set is a subset of A is wrong because we can't give a null set in a set. If it is in a set, it means it has one element. That is wrong. So this statement is wrong. That's all with the sum. Thank you.